Hello children, today we will study Class 7 poem Wandering Singers Questions and Answers. So, let me go for question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is the wandering singers compared to? What do the wandering singers carry with them? So, there are two questions. We will give the answers like that. The wandering singers are compared to the wind. Why? Because as wind without listening to anyone, moving where the flow is, same as wandering singers are following the wind, and they are compared to the wind. Number 2 answer is, while moving through the forest, how? What do the wandering singers carry with them? What do they are carrying? They are carrying a musical instrument called lutes with them. Okay, so while moving through the forest and streets, they carry a musical instrument called lutes with them. So now we will see what is the question number 2. Question number 2 is, what do the wandering singers sing? What are they singing? The wandering singers sing about the battle fought bravely by the courageous kings. They are also singing the glory of their crowns. They also sing about the life of the people at that time, their simple ways of living, their happiness and sorrows. They are ancient. For ancient time, they are singing beautiful songs. What is the question number 3? Question number 3 is, the wandering singers have no permanent homes and families.
Do they show any sadness about it? Or do they have a different notion, means different concept of their family and home? Answer will be, the wandering singers have no permanent home and families. They do not show any sadness because they consider everyone and their family and the whole world their home. This feeling, this concept makes them to feel a bond with everyone and at home, anywhere and everywhere they are living. This is the answer of question number 3. Now we will move on to the answer number 4. What is the question? Why do the wandering singers not wait anywhere? Why do they keep traveling? The wandering singers do not wait anywhere because no loving relationship can make them to stay in a particular place where they might want to wait. As the wind moves freely from one place to another, it seems that the wind calls the wandering singers to follow it. The wandering singer's destination keeps changing like the wind.
So they move from one place to another like the wind. Number 5 question is, how do the wandering singers move? Now we will tell how they are moving, what they are carrying with them, and where they are moving from. The wandering singers carry their musical instrument with them. And you can write in place of musical instrument, you can also write with it lutes. And they are not only carrying it, they are playing this instrument while singing and moving through forest and streets with their songs echoing. So, question number 6 is very short. It is just to give the poem and the poet name. Okay, the poem name is Wandering Singers and the poet is Sarojini Naidu. Remember students, when you are giving the poet or the poem's name, you need to be very careful that we need to give the first letter of the word in capital. Like Wanderings, W will be capital and Singers, S will be capital. Same as Sarojini Naidu. In Sarojini, S will be capital and Naidu's and will be capital. So this is your 6th question answer. Hope you all understood the explanation of question answers of chapter Wandering Singers. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon for coming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.